Aloha gang, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just me doing a little mock-up of my Ipadmini. I was, had intentions of putting in, but after speaking to a friend, he told me try as much as possible to keep it stock looking. So I figured out a way to keep the original speaker grill and radio delete covers. Took a little thinking how I'd do it, how I'd make it go up and down and whatnot, but I was able to figure it out. So the reference lines I have with the blue tape, that is my cut lines. Yep, I cut the dash. Here we go, little mock-up of how the actuator will be. That's actually a 6-inch actuator. I had it going left to right, so it could be hidden behind the ashtray and the glove box. My whole intention is so if you were to look under it, you wouldn't know how it went up and down. There you go. Had to make sure the radio delete cover on the top would actually close as well. Here I am testing out the movement. Seemed to be pretty smooth. I had to do a little adjustments on the half scissor. Point of no return. Dash is cut. I just tried to oversimplify things, not make it so complicated. It's a pretty old truck. Didn't want to spend too much time on it. That's Duraglass on the edges. Just a little build up around the sides to make the grills kind of press in. And here's the movement. That spring you see is actually helping it to go up because of the angle, and it is only pushing up on one side. I needed a little help. It was getting like stuck halfway through. So, again, keeping it simple, throw a little spring on there, not a problem. There's the carnage. You can't tell, but this is in the middle of the night, real early morning, trying to get this going for an upcoming show that we had here in Hawaii. Rubber bands. Had to figure out a way to get that door to come down when the iPad retracts. It was getting a little hung up. Just keeping it simple. As you can see with the constant tension from the rubber bands, it pulled down nicely. Here's my finished interior. Burnt bronze Cerakote on my dash, as well as the grill and the speaker, the radio delete, excuse me. And this is our view. This is what you see. Got the shifter out of the way. Took it for a little night cruise. As you can see, if anybody's around me and my truck is bagged, you will definitely be able to see the iPad screen up there. Thank God it was a clear night. Beautiful weather here in Hawaii. And I got my approval. I'm all good. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And more videos will be coming out. I will try and post at least 1 to 2 weekly. I'm getting my channel started, so I appreciate your views. Thank you so much.